Hi everyone, Erin here from eGuide Tech Allies. This week's newsletter comes to you from the digital perspective. In this week's newsletter, we're going to be diving into a few really important categories, from how to use a hashtag, where to go for some awesome website inspiration, and a favorite for many people, nostalgia, and how it can be used in design. In our first article, we're looking at the importance of the hashtag, how to use it and why, and most importantly, how to use them correctly on each social media platform. In our second article, we dive into our 5 favorite website design inspirational websites. These sites contain a ton of beautiful work to get your creative juices flowing. And last but not least, nostalgia. We all love it, so why not bring it into our designs? This article will teach you about the power of nostalgia in design, all the way how to market it. We invite you to check out all the content below in this week's newsletter. And if you have any questions, we're always here to help. Have a great rest of your week.